This unit familiarizes you with the process of threading a machine. By the end of this unit, a student will be able to describe the passage of threads through various tension points, explain the effect and importance of various tension points. Sewing machine practice. Exercise threading of sewing machine. Step 1. Put the spool on thread stand. Pull out the thread from spool and pass through thread guide. Pull out thread again and pass through. One more thread guide is there. Pull out thread. Leave it free. Pass through thread tension assembly. Ensure that the thread should be in between of two discs. Then pass through check spring. Then pass through thread take up lever. Remember the path of thread. Next step, pass through needle bar guide. And the last step is thread pass through needle eye. You have come to the end of this unit. To summarize, in this unit, you have learned about the passage of threads through various tension points. You have also understood the effect and importance of various tension points. Thank you.